Hello, I'm Paul Swyter, Brand Manager for ContiTech Products here at CRP Automotive. Today I'm here with an installation tip for 2006 through 2012 Subaru models using the 2.5 four-cylinder motor, specifically for a timing belt change. Like nearly every Subaru on the road, this vehicle uses a horizontally opposed cylinder arrangement, often called a boxer engine. And in doing a timing belt change with the ContiTech Pro Series kit, many of our customers have found that the belt fits very tight. So tight that the tensioner doesn't have any slack to take up. The tensioner is then torqued down last before releasing the pin. However, for this Subaru engine, the tensioner is torqued down before the belt is installed, and the lower idler pulleys are installed last, after the belt. This is likely due to the tightness of the belt. Because of this, we recommend installing the lower idler on the passenger side last. This is where the belt has the longest distance to travel between components, so this idler sees the least amount of tension. Please be sure to check the installation instructions in the kit to confirm they have not changed. And while this is still likely to be a difficult installation, we hope this tip helps make it a little easier. Remember, all Pro Series kits from CRP Automotive include OE quality timing belts and all the required tensioners, idlers, pulleys, and hardware required to do a belt service. For this generation of Subaru engines, the recommended service interval varies between 60 and 100,000 miles, so be sure to check your manual. That about covers it for now. If you have a question about this tip, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to see new Inside the Brands videos and learn helpful tech tips from CRP. Thanks for watching.